Hey guys, it's Eldorman here. What I have for you today is a Apple Bluetooth keyboard, and also in this package here I have the Magic Mouse from Apple. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing on both of these items. I'll start off with the Magic Mouse, I think. So push the keyboard out of the way, and what I'll do is I'll start off just opening up the package. Comes with some foam to cushion it. Also, what you get in here is underneath the Magic Mouse, you get a bit of foam, just stop it from getting damaged in the post or whatever it is. And here's the Magic Mouse. I'll just get it out of this packet, whatever. As you can see, it's very low profile, nice looking mouse. It's the world's first multi-touch mouse. Apple claim for it to have a seamless multi-touch surface. Also claim, well, it has a laser tracking engine for moving it around. It's wireless. You connect to your Apple from through Bluetooth. I'll just get a bit further into the box. So yeah, you get your Magic Mouse. It's on a little like plastic platform, and you also get a little Magic Mouse booklet. You get many things within here, like just giving you model numbers, just stuff. Your warranty is on this one. So yeah, and also information on the Magic Mouse, how to set it up and how to use it will be in this booklet here. So Magic Mouse, I'm assuming you just pull this off here. There we have it. You know, it moves around easily. You can click as always, but as stated, it is the world's first multi-touch mouse. As you can see, it's very low profile, and you can still click, two click, right click. You can 360 scroll with touch. You can also zoom and also two-finger swipe by swiping just across here like that. You can also custom button map it, so if you want some gestures and well, I suppose if you want some gestures setting up, you could set them up, I suppose. You can get rid of some gestures, so you don't have to have all of them in there. And you can pick up this Magic Mouse for £59. That's British pounds. So yeah, £59 for, I think it's quite a nice mouse. Clever. So yeah, I hope to see more mouse like this in the future. Very nice. Now, what we're going to move on to is the wireless keyboard. I'll open it up. You know, your standard. Oh, it's upside down. Oh well. I had it upside down. Yeah, you get your little booklet again. It'll have all the same things like your warranty and stuff like that, and how to set it up and use it. But it actually takes up 24% less space than a normal Apple keyboard. So it's a lot smaller. Yet the keys are the same size and all that. It's aluminium. It takes two AA batteries. Connect to it through Bluetooth again, so you'd set up, say like this, for example, this was the Mac, so you'd just have the Mac set up and you just connect it to Bluetooth. There'd be no wires, and you could also have your Magic Mouse along here as well. You know, it takes up a hell of a lot less room. It also feels different to type on than a normal Apple keyboard, because it's different angles and a lot sleeker design. You can pick one of these up for £57. That's about it for these two. So yeah, peace.